You're once again welcome to my weekly Bitcoin outlook, Bitcoin analysis. All right. Every week analyzing my expectations for the week, for the incoming week on Bitcoin, on the crypto space. Okay. So this time around I'm back again to make a brief analysis of what the market is doing so that we can make informed decisions on our trades, on our respective trades. Okay. Meanwhile, this video that I'm making right now is for people that have been in the industry. You know, it's for the old players, the old guys in the space. Okay. And if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know anything about Bitcoin or crypto, please, this particular video isn't for you. All right. There are videos that I made for newbies, starters. So go check it out on my platform. Let me get a platform. Let me get my platform here. Is loading. Okay. Let me search. All right. So this is my platform. So there are videos that if you're a newbie in the system, like these ones, you start from the beginning, understanding the basics. Okay, understanding the basics. Then take advantage of these for guys that have been in the system for long. Then this one, just go through my platform and then choose the ones that are actually for the newbies and then start making your learning how to trade first. You learn how to trade. Okay, so but this particular video that I'm in right now is for my old guys, you know, for guys that have been in the system for years. All right, so Bitcoin hasn't been all that good. The past 1 week has been so bad on the crypto space, especially on Bitcoin. The past 1 week, some money has been liquidated. So many accounts have been liquidated. Money has gone out of this crypto space, okay, for the past 1 week. And it's not good for Bitcoin. It's not good for us. But actually, it's also an opportunity. But there are things that we need to analyze before we start placing our buy orders. Okay? There are things that we also analyze before we start placing our buy orders. Okay, look at this is a daily time frame that I'm choosing. Daily time frame. All right. So in the past 7 days, let's just analyze in the past 7 days, how has Bitcoin performed in the past 7 days? That's 7 days makes a week, isn't it? 7 days makes a whole week, isn't it? All right. So we'll be checking out how has Bitcoin performed in the past 7 good days. So let's count. This one remains 2 hours, 9 minutes before this another day we start reflecting here. Remaining 2 hours, 9 minutes. Okay. Now we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So in the past 7 days, Bitcoin market has been what? Market opened here, 97. Closes here, 101. After it closes by 101, okay? From 101 to this $94,000. So to show you that Bitcoin is not really doing good right now. All right. Bitcoin is not really doing good. And we might eventually hit 92, break this obviously this is just the bottom. Look at this bottom here. We might eventually giving us a double bottom. All right. You might eventually just seek this zone, 91. Okay, so this is actually a place because Bitcoin is not holding this 104, 1 or something resistance. So it's been falling since that time. Probably market participants are all eyes are on this zone. All eyes are on this zone. Then we have trouble we start looming for Bitcoin is if Bitcoin, break out this support here. If there is a negative breakout here, that is when it's falls below, when it's not supported at that zone, All right. If we didn't create any support here and it keeps going down, we might be entering a very, very, very bear run. Probably retouching 70 something dollars here. Okay. So please be on your guide. Another thing I want to check is the total crypto market cap. All right. Let's check the total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap indices. Oh man. Total crypto market cap. Yes. So let's check that on the daily, isn't it? So on the daily, the all-time high that this guy had was around the 3 points, and that should be around 3.72. Okay, this all-time high was around 17th of December. Then it repeated its all-time high close to it, making the resistance. And since that time, since 19th of January, the crypto market hasn't been all that good. Okay, now let's choose weekly. What has happened the past 1 week? In the past 1 week, every candle here represents a weekly trade. You see what I'm saying? In the past 1 week, it's not giving a good sign. Of course, what we'll have here is just like a consolidation. What we'll have here is just like an indecision in the market. Before, there was a little breakout. These candles here are just like consolidation, a range, trading in a range. Let me delete that to Nigeria. Okay. So here, Android, like sorry, please. Just like a kind of small range here. Okay. And the side zone. Let me just make it blank. All right. Right. Make it lesser faint. Okay, now look at this is just like a range. This is a range. So market was just like still before that was a little breakouts. So in the past 1 week, we lost. Okay, there was a losing trade here. So, but please, I just pray, let's just hope that a support will be created at this zone, at this line here. Okay, this resistance before. Let's just hope that yes, 2.54. But what will not be the Bitcoin price when this total market cap gets to $2.58 trillion? Okay, so probably Bitcoin might be around 70 something. Okay, Bitcoin might be around 70 something. So let's get back to Bitcoin. Crypto. See, where is it? Okay, I selected the weekly. Okay, so this is just like a double bottom, even on the weekly. That's all this thing is showing, like a double bottom on the weekly. So if this double bottom now gets broken, we might be seeing Bitcoin touching, probably getting another support. The next support will be here. All right. The next support will be around $70,000. Okay. But let's just watch and see what will happen. But I don't think that it should be all that bad on Bitcoin. So if you're trying to find an entry in this weekend trade, I would recommend you, exercising some little kind of patience. Okay. I would recommend that you exercise patience and see on daily and see if a bullish engulfing candles, okay, and see if you can see bullish reversal candlestick patterns, okay, that would like bullish engulfing candles, but tweezer bottle, morning star, okay, so that you can place your entry. For now, don't go and place your entry here. 95 is too risky, all right, because markets may likely get to 91 91, 92. So my own is like I placed my own around 92,500. Okay, so with you need to segment your you need to put your capitals in ratios. Don't go and invest almost everything you have at that price. Okay. So please know your risk tolerance, trade wisely, imbibe your risk management attitude in your trading. It's very, very important. So please, you'll be retesting. If you watch, this has been the most supported zone so far for this Bitcoin. It has been the most supported zones so far. Market has tested here. Market has tested here. It has tested. So this is strong critical support zone. So we should be looking at this, and everybody eyes is on that. So please exercise a little patience and see if this zone be broken. All right, and a support. When there is a support, after it gets broken, when a support start coming in, you can find your entry around it. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. I want to wish everybody a profitable trade for the week. Okay, one love, and please help me, help me, help me. I'm still pleading, because it is your watch hour, it is your subscription, your time, and watching my views that gives me courage to upload do more reviews on this crypto. Okay, I have lots of content to make, but sometimes when I notice that you guys are not, or maybe I'm not getting that love or something, it's kind of bring me down. Okay, so guys, please, I appreciate you guys to subscribe to my channel, please, watch my videos, and let's just grow together. It's not just about me. All right. What I'm doing in my trade is exactly what I'm teaching you guys. Of course, to avoid being sued, to avoid being sued. All right, to avoid being sued. This is not a financial words. It's a disclaimer that I'm putting on. It's not a financial advice. But I only come here to give you guys tips. But those tips I'm giving you guys, I'm also doing it. That's my life, okay? Those tips I'm giving you guys, I'm also playing by those tips. All right. So, but please know your risk management level, your risk management, your risk tolerance. Know what you can afford to lose or something like that. Okay. Know your capacity, financial capacity. Okay. So, thank you for those that have been watching my videos since I started this channel. I appreciate you guys. Okay. Those that have been making some profits from my callouts, my Bitcoin analysis and the rest. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. All right. And please, if you have some questions, don't forget to always put your comment on the comment section so that we can reason together and then solve it one after the other. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you some other time. See you. Next week we'll come again to analyze what the market is doing. But remember what I said: do not trade until no matter what is pushing you to go and enter. I have not seen a signal for entering. All right. So that's by the way. Thank you guys. One love. Bye.